wants to explain it. Help and do. First we have to take potassium powder and after we have to take hand wash and after we have to take H2O2 liquid.
ఇప్పుడు మమ్మల్ని అందరు నవ్విస్తావా?
more.
Oh. It's cold and some